video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a DIY setting spray using only 4 ingredients that are lying around at home. The first thing you will need is a spray bottle, then you'll need some aloe vera gel. You can also use fresh aloe vera. Then you'll need some glycerin, most preferably vegetable glycerin. And then you'll need some bottled water, and rose water is optional. First ingredient we'll be using is glycerin. You will need 2 teaspoons of glycerin. Glycerin treats acne, wrinkles and fine lines, and it also makes the skin moist, soft and supple, and it also heals your skin, and it also gives a glowy finish when used as a setting spray. Our next ingredient is aloe vera gel. We'll need 4 tablespoons of that. Aloe vera gel soothes sunburn, relieves skin irritation, slows signs of aging, and prevents dark spots. Our next ingredient is rose water. We'll need 2 teaspoons of rose water. This is optional. This controls excess oil, reduces redness, and cures acne. Once you're done adding all the ingredients, go ahead and close the lid and shake it well. And then fill 3/4 of the bottle with bottled water. And then again close the lid and shake it well until all the ingredients are mixed well. And there you go, your DIY setting spray is ready.